Welcome to the world of cloud. With over 1 lakh learners trained by Cybrainium, we know what it takes to turn complete beginners into certified professionals. And in this course, we will do the same for you from zero to hero in Microsoft Azure. Hello everyone, and welcome to Microsoft Azure Fundamentals AZ 900 Zero to Hero. I'm your instructor from Cybrainium, and I will be guiding you on this exciting journey into the world of cloud computing. Why Azure? Cloud is the present and the future. And Microsoft Azure is one of the fastest growing platform trusted by companies worldwide. The AZ900 certification is the best way to begin your cloud journey, and in this course will give you everything you need to succeed. At Cybrainium, we have trained over 10,000 learners in cybersecurity and cloud technologies. Our team consists of experts from top tech companies, and our goal is simple: to help you not just pass certifications but also build real world cloud skills. What you will learn in this course: you will learn cloud concepts in very simple terms, core Azure services like creation of virtual machines, storage accounts, networking, security compliance governance, code solution and management tools, general security and network security features, Azure cost management and service level agreements, costing analysis, hands-on lab, certification guide, and practice test for exam preparations. This course is for everyone, whoever is a student or the IT beginner or a business professional. Everybody can take this course. Even if you don't have any knowledge in the cloud, this is the right time to start it. By end of this course, you will be exam ready for the AZ900 certification, have hands-on experience with Azure labs, build a solid foundation for advanced Azure certification. Join Microsoft Azure Fundamentals AZ900 today. Start your cloud journey with Cybrainium. So let's dive it. This is your first step into the cloud world. By the end of this journey, you wouldn't just be ready to pass the AZ900 exam. You will have the knowledge and confidence to grow your career in Microsoft Azure. Let's get started.